stuff just doesn't make sense. Yeah. By the way, I kinda got scammed in this video, but like I didn't really care because I knew she was gonna scam me. That's why I asked her if I could give her a vehicle. And this is the worst service ever because this guy's literally ignoring me. So yeah. For the scamming part, you would just see it at the later part of the video. Mostly the end of the video. So yeah. I've been wanting to like do this as like a video idea. But the thing is, isn't it just gonna be weird if I do it in Roblox? You know, I don't care. So this thing I want to do for a very long time is actually like guessing stuff about you. I just find them so entertaining. So yeah. Now I'm gonna get started. First, I'm not really like sure about this. So yeah, but I think you have black hair. Yeah, maybe some brown highlights, but I don't really know. I'm a bit more like closer to short hair. And then I mean black hair, and I think your black hair is like short, but not like you know, like that short. Maybe like shorter length. Yeah. Oh, by the way, this is the part where I got scammed. But okay, maybe like shorter length, and then after that, I also think you have brown or black eyes. But I think more to brown eyes. I don't really actually see anybody with black eyes, so this is why I think it's brown eyes. Next, I think that your favorite movie is, let me think. I'm trying to think of like a kind of a common movie that people like. Oh, I think it's Despicable Me. Any series, like any, like 1, 2, or 3, that doesn't really matter. I just think that it's Despicable Me. Yeah. Next, I think that your favorite color is lilac. Lilac is like purple. Yeah. Next, I think that you wear glasses. Or I think most of the time it's like glasses, and I think your age is like maybe 14, maybe 12, maybe 14 or 12. That's my guess. Yeah. I'm gonna do another guess. So I think that if it's not all of that, then I think you have brown curly hair. Yeah. You are from the let me think. You're from I'm thinking of a country right now. I think you're from USA. Yeah. Actually, in this case, I think you're from United America. Yeah, you're from America. Yeah. And then you also have brown hair. Brown eyes, or hazel eyes, or amber eyes.